Welcome to this tutorial on integrating and configuring the EAA 2025 Assistant. In this video, we'll explore the powerful accessibility features of EAA 2025 Assistant, designed to make web content more inclusive and user-friendly. We'll guide you through the setup process step by step. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Assistant the ultimate solution for accessible web design and how it benefits your users. The EAA 2025 Assistant is a cutting-edge tool designed to enhance digital accessibility, offering customizable features that empower users to navigate, read, and engage with websites effectively. The Assistant is designed for individuals with diverse accessibility needs, including visual impairments, dyslexia, color blindness, motion sensitivity, and cognitive or mobility challenges. It offers tools like magnification, text-to-speech, customizable filters, reduced animations, and AI-driven navigation to enhance usability and readability. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to seamlessly integrate and configure the EAA 2025 Assistant across multiple platforms. Here's what you'll learn. How to download and install the module on Magento 2 and Shopify. Basic platform setup for accessibility features. How to use the management panel for configuration. Step-by-step setup with the user guide. And finally, how to monitor and track performance using an analytics dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to integrate the EAA 2025 Assistant and provide a more inclusive, accessible experience for your users. So, shall we start? Let's begin with the first item on today's agenda, integrating the EAA 2025 Assistant. To get started, visit our website and navigate to the EAA 2025 Assistant page. Here, you'll find an overview of the module, along with the documentation and installable files for Magento 2 and Shopify. Let's focus on Magento 2 first. The module can be installed using one of two methods. Choose your preferred method and simply follow the steps provided in the user guide. The code snippets are ready for you to copy and paste, making the process straightforward. Once installed, it's important to verify that the module is active. Head to Magento 2 admin panel and ensure that the module is listed and set to enabled. Next, we'll configure the Assistant. Visit the Assistant's management panel and customize the widget's appearance, adjusting colors, background, and screen position. Add allowed domains and configure API tokens with your chosen AI model and token. Save changes and verify them on your site. For more details, check the documentation. After customization, you'll receive a generated script URL. Add this URL in Magento 2 under Script URL field in Modules Configurations. Finally, flush the Magento cache, and you're all set to test how it works. Now, let's integrate the EAA 2025 Assistant with Shopify. The process is quick and straightforward. Install the GoAI EAA module from the Shopify App Store. To enable GoAI EAA, go to your Shopify admin, online store, themes, and customize. In the theme editor, locate App Embeds, find the module, and toggle it on. For detailed instructions, refer to the documentation. Once activated, your Assistant will be live and ready to enhance accessibility on your Shopify store. Explore the analytics dashboard to track key performance metrics like token usage, geographic locations, request types, and user devices. Use this data to optimize your Assistant settings and improve the user experience. For help, contact our support team via the Assistant Management panel or our website. Regularly check the dashboard, customize settings to meet accessibility needs, and stay updated with enhancements for the best results. Thank you for choosing GoAI e-commerce EAA 2025 Assistant to make your platform more accessible and inclusive. Take the next step toward innovation. Reach out anytime for support or to explore more of what we offer. Goodbye.